Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install this LED light kit. I bought a few extra to do a giveaway, so look in the description to find out how to win it. Looks like it's going to be a pretty easy install. I bought the ones that connect to your phone, so you have to download that LED BLE app. But inside the box there's 4 strips, a receiver box, and a cigarette lighter plug-in. What I'm probably going to do is end up getting a wire with one of these ends on it and wiring a switch into the car so you don't have to keep plugging this in and out and turning it on and off. It'll have its own switch to do. First thing you want to do is go ahead and get your electrical connection hidden. What I've done is actually taken the cigarette lighter connector, since it'll plug in right here pretty easily. Give it a little bit more room. And ran it through the piece of plastic bezel down to the bottom. Now I'm going to disconnect this here because I am going to connect my module up to this piece on the back side. Next I'm going to feed my two shorter wires, my two longer wires, all the way across to the driver's side. Just find an open spot that you can slide them through the bezel. That way you can pull them out later on the driver's side. Next, I'm going to take a piece of double-sided tape, just stick to the back of the module, so that when I put it on the back of this, it'll stick to it. Next, like I said, you want to go ahead and find a spot that this will sit and not connect or not hit anything. So this looks like a good spot. Actually, I might go right here. Make sure your wire will plug in, your power wire. Alright. Feed them wires. Just make sure it'll close. Next thing you're going to do is go ahead and peel that three-sided tape off, or two-sided tape off, that 3M tape, and go ahead and stick this where it's out of the way. Nobody will see it, but you can still don't worry about the extra wires. We'll worry about hiding them later. Just make sure it's good and sticky. It's kind of easy to manipulate too, so. Okay, let's go ahead and tuck the wires and hide them. There's a big hole back here in this dash, so it'll do just fine for holding these wires. Go ahead and pull them on the driver's side. Get enough wire. Gonna do the same thing on this one. Peel this 3M tape off. Go ahead and stick them up. Out of the way. Hide these wires. Looks good. Alright, so here's the moment of truth. Works pretty good. You can pick any color and it can stay on it. The app will do a whole lot of different things. Just check out the app. Again, it's LED BLE. Works pretty good. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.